Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be making one of my favorite drinks, milk tea boba. For the tea, I'll be using loose leaf jasmine tea, but you can use whichever tea you would like. Next I have dark muscovado sugar. In case you can't find it, I'll leave a link below. Or you can use dark brown sugar, which is available at your regular grocery stores. For this milk tea boba, I like to use the traditional brown boba, but they also make other varieties like this colored boba. I'm using half and half, but you can use nut milks, coconut milk, or oat milk. Steep the tea for 8 to 10 minutes, which will brew a stronger tea. Allow time for the tea to cool to room temperature before using. Add 1.5 cups of boba to 10 cups of boiling water. The package says to cook for 5 minutes, but I've had better results cooking for 12 to 15 minutes. To make the brown sugar boba over medium heat, add 1 cup muscovado sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. This will help dissolve the sugar to start the caramel. Simmer the caramel for 3 to 4 minutes so it starts to thicken. Add the boba and cook for another 4 minutes until the caramel will coat the back of a spoon. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll leave a full recipe in the info box below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next time.